Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-ROC Cabriolet design we've currently got for sale, finished in Ravenna blue metallic paint. Featuring the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with that 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll also have peace of mind motoring in this vehicle with a full Volkswagen service history. Stand off the front is adaptive cruise control, so perfect for motorway journeys. And down the side you get these lovely 17-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors. There's a surprising amount of boot space available as well, with split folding seats, which you can fold down just pulling on levers on the left and right hand side. Inside it gets lovely pattern cloth seats. There's also ISOFIX points available. And moving on to that infotainment system, you've got digital radio alongside Bluetooth connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems on board as well, including adaptive cruise control and front assist. And there's even front and rear parking sensors to help with parking. There's also multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, there's dual zone climate control on offer, with a little bit of storage below with a couple of USB-C ports so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or would like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.